Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best. In this video we've got the ieGeek Floodlight Camera. It's got the LED lights and the pan and tilt type camera, which is manual. It's not a 360-degree pan and zoom type camera, it's the manual camera. But it's the floodlight setting that we've got. Pretty much the box that has arrived in its shape and form. And it's got some features, so we're going to dive deep into that. Pretty much just now. PII light control, smart siren alarm, PIM motion detect, two-way audio, IP65 waterproof, and 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi on this. This is the QR for the app scanning, and serial number on this side, and some features at the back. Floodlight camera, 2600 lumens, which is pretty bright. The one I'm using at the moment is 2000 lumens at this point, which is fairly decent, but not as bright as I'd want. 2600 seems to be better than this 13 watt LED, and it's non-replaceable LED. The whole stack is pretty much a couple of LEDs staggered within the lights, and they're non-replaceable. It will be pretty much a part replacement if you've got any issues. And then you've got the 3 megapixel CMOS sensor, the camera, the day-night vision, standard 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi, motion sound detection. You could do two-way audio with this. 110 decibel siren alarm, which is pretty loud, and then a built-in mic, two-way talk as I mentioned, and it supports micro SD card, the max of 128 gigabytes of storage that it supports locally. You can also upload stuff to the cloud. That is one of the options, but this is what's offered out of the box. And just quickly doing the unboxing here, and we'll look into what this product has to offer. Okay, so what's in the box? 1 second, this is like stuck in here. Right, so what's in the box? Some casing to support, just to keep the camera safe. Some user manual, how to sort of mount it onto the wall, screw fixings and stuff. And this is the warranty guide. It gives you about 24-hour technical support, 12 months of warranty, okay. Free returns and 12 months of warranty. And this is how the camera looks, as you can see. It's a pretty stacked, big beast kind of a product, and fitted into a small box. Let's just first take this thing out. This is a pretty big item here. It requires 2 holes to be drilled, as you can see. And let's just look at this first. So it's got the two screws and the plugs, yeah. And this one screw goes straight into the camera, and this is the mounting kit which you'd mount onto the wall where you want to install. And pretty standard stack of cabling, light, earth, neutral. You insert the cable in there, and then do probably some sort of cable management to get to the other side. This is the top, and this goes through here, and it goes out from here, I think. Yeah, this is the one that would have to be torn down, and perhaps you'd have to take it out either from here, which gives you the way out, or this has to be taken out. This plug has to be taken out, and you could probably use this to sort of come out. That's yeah, that's what it looks like. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure though. But yeah, this is what we have, what we've got. This is the, oh, this is important to keep it IP65. So this is all important. And going straight into the camera itself. Oh, there's also this something to hang it somewhere. I don't know. And here's the big beast, the camera itself. It does do 180 degree top to bottom. And does it do pan and tilt too, if you wanted to know? No, it's just pretty much stuck over here. Can just do top and bottom. Just does top and bottom. It doesn't. Oh, it does. Oh, it does. So it does turn like about 180 degrees. No, more than that, in fact. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. It does probably turn on to the other side. Yep, it does. Wow, it's nice. It does turn in either direction if you want. And this is like the top side, so I'll have to sort of turn it like this. And this one goes like this. Or, yeah, this is fine. So this is how you'd want it to be installed. And how does the camera fare? I was quite keen to know how the camera did, really. The camera does, I think, it's got that ball and socket type thing. And let me just tighten this thing first. And this one as well. This is plastic, strong, sturdy plastic. And the camera can do, because I've got this for, well, I want to install it like this. I would probably rather consider a full rotation of the camera, if that was possible. Or it's probably not possible. Let's turn on to the other side. Nope, you can do a little bit like this, a little angle to it. You could do this much. It should be good enough for me, because if it will be mounted straight up, you do get the option to sort of angle in, and it's got 140 degrees angle, which you can use. And that's quite useful. And you can also put it down if you were to look down, if you've got a fair height to install this on. It's got these little antennas, which would be helping with the reception. My Wi-Fi is pretty good. The mesh setup that I've got is pretty good, so I won't be bothered. And these cables would basically go in and connect to the other side of the mounting supply. So on this side goes to the mains, and the other side goes to the camera setup. It's quite heavy though, just so you guys know. It is heavy. It's probably half a kilo, or probably 400 grams. Quite hefty, so you need to get your wall plugs nicely fitted in, and the screws to be fitted properly inside. Otherwise it's going to fall off your wall. Right, so this is pretty much it for this video. This is just the unboxing. I'm going to do another video to demonstrate how the camera looks, but as you can see, it's pretty decent. I'm not going to take any of these covers off at the moment because I'm still testing, and I'm going to connect this to the main supply to see how it fares. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this video. One of the key things I wanted to show, no one else has actually done, is to show you how much the camera can turn either side. It does turn a fair bit, about 140 degrees overall, which is useful, so people should know. It does cover your sides, like to a certain extent. It's got the PIR sensor at the bottom, but it does cover that to a certain extent. Yeah, and then that's pretty much it for this video. If you've got any questions or queries, do let me know. Do post in the comment section below, as usual, and I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and I'll see you in my next best. Cheers, bye bye.